Hey guys, this is Adam Lane with Pocketnow.com. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S4G that just came out for T-Mobile. So let's check it out. So here's the box, and first thing I want to show you is what the old Samsung Vibrant box looked like. So just a little quick comparison. Kind of different. So the Galaxy S4G is the upgrade to the old Samsung Vibrant, which you see came with Avatar, and this one comes with Inception. So let's check this out. Oh, well, you'll also notice that it's very similar to the HD7's box. We got this little edge there. Alright, so let's check it out. We got that edge there. We got features: 4G, 4-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen, 1 GHz processor, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's open it. And here we have the 4G. You got your little pocket of info, documentation, warranty guide, Spanish stuff, start guide, and that's about it. Don't need that. We also have a microUSB cable, of course, charger, USB port. Oh, that's cool. A microSD card adapter. And some headphones. Let's see what these are like. So it's the rubbery ear thing. And we have a little clip with one button, microphone. That's about it. Alright. Here's the device. Let's see how the size compares to what, you might ask. Alright. How about the Samsung Vibrant? Let's look at these again. Alright, pull this off. Can you tell which is which? Yep, this one has a front-facing camera. On the side, there's the difference, the back, the plastic backing. Alright, so those are really pretty much exactly the same size. Let's look at the HD7. We don't need that to be on. Pretty close. Okay. And I guess the BlackBerry Torch. Which is much thicker. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing for now. Stay tuned for the hardware tour. That's it for now.